So I noticed this new feature in my Notion workspace called library. So it's here underneath the inbox. It's called library, and then when you open the library, you notice that it is basically mapping out all your workspace team spaces in a database style, and this is not modifiable. As long as I can see, it's not modifiable because you would have to go to each of your team spaces to modify them actually. So this is just like a mapping of your whole workspace. And then you have the access type for each team space, and then if you open the toggles, you're gonna see the actual pages that you have inside them, and then the pages that are inside those pages. I think this is very cool because this is um, mapping out the full system that you have in your Notion. And I actually need this for my own use because I have another account where I have multiple team spaces, multiple pages, and I want to have full visibility to see what should stay and what should be removed or what should move to another team space. So I think this is the perfect opportunity for me to do that. It also shows you the members, and then you can see the recent pages that have been opened, and then filtered by date, latest edited time, and then the source, like where what they belong to, and then you can also open them to see what they include, and then you can see also your favorites, and then the shared pages. Oh my god, this is very amazing. I mean, this is amazing because this gives you a clean view on everything that's being shared with others. And then you have also the private team space where you can have full visibility. And then you can create new team spaces here just as if you're adding them to a database. And then more team spaces. This is just I think these are the ones created by others because these are created by others. So it will show you the team spaces created by other team members down here. So I think this library is very useful for mapping out your workspace and for cleaning it up and having full visibility on it.